Good morning, my dear boys. This is me, your Shravani Miss, and I am back to you with your English second paper. Boys, I told you that today I will take class on a new topic, and before starting the new topic, I would like to go for the answers of previous HW. So take out your copy and try to match the answers with my written answers. Okay, boys? Get ready. So here are the answers of your previous HW. I would like to request all of you, please try to match the answers with your written answers. Okay, if you have written the right answer, please put a tick mark, and if you have not written the right answer, please put a cross mark. Okay, so boys, get ready, and I would like to request you, please take a red pen or blue pen for correcting your answer. Okay, in number 1, the answer will be India is a large country. So large starts with a consonant sound L. That's why I have written here A. Okay, then she is an hour late. So hour indicates a mute H. That means the pronunciation is like vowel hour. That's why I have used here N. Then I have a 1 rupee note. I told you that when we are going to pronunciate a word like one, you have to use the article a. Okay, then he is a European. Again, when the pronunciation is like you have to use here a. Okay, then number 5, once there was a king. So king starts with the consonant sound K. That's why I have used here a. Then number 6, we arrived on the 4th of July. So boys, 4th of July indicates a particular day. That's why you have to use here the. Okay, so we use the before a particular thing or before a or something that we are going to use for the second time. Okay, then I go to Jaipur once in a year. Again, year indicates that Y starts with a consonant sound. That's why you have to use here a. Okay, and year also not any particular thing. That's why you have to use here a. Okay, so we use the for the particular thing and also the thing or name that we are going to use for the second time. Okay, but we use a and n for an indefinite thing. That means that is not particular or fixed. That number 8, Sri Lanka is an island. Okay, so island start with a vowel. That's why I have used here N. Then I am the tallest boy. So you know tallest indicates the superlative degree. That's why you have to use here the. Then number 10, I met a girl in the store. The girl was beautiful. So you can see here I am talking about the girl for the second time. That's why I have used here the. Then number 11, this book has won the Booker Prize. So Booker Prize is a particular thing or particular prize for the book. That's why I have used here the. Then number 12, there is an institution for the blind in the city. So institution is not a particular thing. That's why I have used here N for vowel, and for the blind in the city. So blind indicates that this is actually particularly or specifically for the blind people. That's why you have to use here the. Then number 13, I think the woman over there is famous actress. So I am indicating a specific woman. That's why I have used here the. Okay, the woman over there indicates that there is a woman who is specific. Okay, then number 14, I was in a Japanese restaurant. The restaurant served good food. So first of all, I am talking about a restaurant. That's why I have used here a, and I am using the restaurant name of the restaurant for the second time. That's why I have used here the. Then number 15, they usually spend their holidays in the mountains. I told you that when you are talking about one mountain, you will use a, but when you are talking about more than one mountain, you have to use the. Okay, then I would like a piece of cake. So piece of cake is not a particular thing, and piece starts with a consonant sound. That's why you have to use here a. Then number 17, are you attending the reception today? So reception is a particular thing that you are going to attend. That's why you have to use here the. Then number 18, she wants to become an engineer. Engineer starts with E, that means vowel sound, you have to use here N. Then it is an absurd story. So absurd starts with the vowel sound A, that's why you have to use here N. Then number 20, I want to eat the red apple. So red apple is a particular thing, that's why you have to use here the. So boys, I hope all of you have written the right answers, and if you have not written the right answer, no problem, just write the right answer beside your incorrect answer, okay, and try to use red pen or blue pen. So boys, today I am going to complete or finish our all discussion on articles, and we are going to go for the new topic. Get ready for the new topic and try to write neatly and clean, okay? So boys, get ready. So today we are going to start our another new topic, that is preposition of time, okay? So boys, get ready and take new page for this topic, okay? So here you can see I have written prepositions of time: at, on, and in. So when we are going to use preposition of time, we will use either at, on, or in, okay? So the prepositions of time are at, on, in, describe when something happens, happened, or will happen, okay? So we use these three prepositions for indicating the time and also when something happens, happened, or will happen. So write it down in your copy, okay? Write like this: at in a circle, on in another circle, and in another circle. So boys, today I am going to discuss only on at, so get ready for it, okay? So at plus specific time. So we use at for the specific time, like at 8 a.m., at 9 o'clock, at 6:15, at midnight. Boys, when we use o'clock, when there is a fixed time but no minutes, like it's 2 o'clock, look at the clock, here is 2 o'clock, no minutes, okay? So when there is only 12 o'clock, 9 o'clock, or 7 o'clock but no minutes, sorry, we use o'clock, okay? So when there is a time but no minutes, you have to use o'clock, okay? I am clear to you, I know. Then the examples are: I get up at 7 o'clock. So 7 o'clock indicates a specific time, that's why you have to use here at. So we use at before a specific time, okay? Then number 2, the movie starts at 8:30. So 8:30 is also a specific time, you have to use at before this specific time. Then we arrived home at midnight. Midnight is also specific time. Midnight indicates that it is 12 o'clock night. That indicates midnight, okay? So when we are talking about midnight, you have to understand that that indicates 12 o'clock. And the opposite of midnight is midday, 12 o'clock day, okay? Another name of midday is noon. So when you are talking about midnight, you have to understand that it is 12 o'clock night, and when you are talking about midday, you have to understand that this is 12 o'clock day, okay? So when you are talking about a specific time, you have to use at before that time. Then another examples are at plus holiday period. That means we use at before a specific holiday period, okay? At Christmas, at Thanksgiving. Boys, you have to understand that at Christmas and at Thanksgiving does not mean that they are indicating on the day of Christmas or on the day of Thanksgiving. That is actually the time period, or that is actually the holiday period, okay? So Christmas is not only for one day, actually there is a period for Christmas, or there is a period for Thanksgiving, okay? Examples are: they sing carols at Christmas. So that indicates that they sing carols at the Christmas period, okay? Then did you eat too much at Easter? So here the meaning of the sentence is did you eat too much at Easter? The meaning is did you eat too much at star period. Okay, then come and visit us at Thanksgiving. That actually does not indicate that on the day of Thanksgiving. Actually it indicates that on the period of Thanksgiving. Okay, so we use at before a holiday period. Okay boys, so this is all for today. I am not going to discuss, or I am not going to show anymore, because I think this is enough for today. I would like to request you, please try to learn all of the things, all of the rules and all of the examples very clearly and neatly. And if you face any problem, you can ask me in the comment section, and please try to write like me. Okay, you have to write neatly, and you can use some red pen or blue pen for writing. So write like me, and if you have if you face any problem in understanding, please let me know. Okay boys, so take care and stay safe and healthy, and try to write each and everything that I showed you today. If you can draw a clock like this, that's very good. Okay, so today we have learned only the preposition of time based on at. Okay, so try to write it in your CW copy. Thank you boys for watching my class, and those who have not subscribed my channel, try to subscribe it. Okay boys, thank you very much.